Hello everyone. In this video, I'll guide you through how to fix the OBS black screen issue quickly and effectively. First, make sure OBS Studio is running with the correct permissions. On Windows, right-click the OBS shortcut and select Run as Administrator to give it full access to your system. Next, check your display capture settings. Go to the source settings, make sure you're capturing the correct display, and try switching between display capture and window capture to see if that resolves the black screen. If you're using a laptop with dual graphics cards, OBS may be running on the integrated GPU instead of the dedicated one. Go to your graphics settings and set OBS to use the high-performance GPU. Also, update your graphics drivers and OBS Studio to the latest versions, as outdated software can cause capture issues. Finally, disable hardware acceleration in any programs you are trying to capture, like browsers or games, because it can conflict with OBS capture. Following these steps should resolve the black screen problem and let you record or stream smoothly. Subscribe the channel for more videos.